it's gonna be like right next to us too.
Yeah, that's definitely a funnel right there.
Yep, small funnel. There's an RFD. There's an RFD.
Yeah. I think I kind of want to keep moving.
Not yet.
It's moving pretty fast.
Look at that funnel.
Yeah, that's sick. It's really cranking. Look at the upper stuff. It's feeding.
Oh my gosh, that funnel.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's trying it. That funnel's spinning big time. See how far it's coming down? It's coming down. She's trying. I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't make it through this cycle.
Wow.
You see it? You see the noodle up there? Yeah, it's wrapping around. That's good, though.
That's good. That's a very good sign for this thing.
All right, we get there.
Yep. Holy cow, it's spinning like crazy. We're gonna get real close to this thing.
Sounds good.
Oh, big funnel coming out that backside.
I see what you're talking about. Really trying.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, really trying. That is you can see it. It's going up into the clouds. That's a really nice CG. Really well defined up there.
Wow.
Yep. She's really trying it.
That's tornadic motion for sure.
It's coming down, dude. It's really trying to do it.
I'm about to stop soon.
Look at, you can see it go all the way up.
Stop.
That's gonna do it, James. Like actually, I'm dead ass. That's gonna do it right there. It's gonna do it. Yep. Watch this.
That's on the ground. Tornado! Tornado on the ground!
Wow. Nice tornado, dude.
Wow. Look at that. Holy cow, dude.
It's gonna cross the road.
Yeah, let's go. Let's keep going. Keep going. Oh, it's coming down. It's coming down.
It's coming down right there. That's gonna be a big noodle. Here we go. Yep. Fully down. Fully condensed tornado.
Wow!
Fully condensed rope tornado right there.
You're kidding me.
Oh, drill bit. It's a drill bit.
You're
James.
kidding me.
It's a drill bit. Look at that. It's a driller. Get up on it.
My God.
That is a driller.
God.
Holy. Watch these guys on the edge of the road.
Yep.
Get right up on that sucker.
Oh my gosh, look at the helix.
Yep. Big driller tornado right there. GoPro's going. Holy. Yep, watch these guys, they're stopping. Out in the field right there, look at the helical vortex. Vortex breakdown right there. Holy shit.
Wow, wow, wow.
It's ripping hard.
I might have missed a lot of that on my camera, but it's okay.
It's good, I got a good portion of it. It's gonna look
It's
like
still
shit.
going, it's still going.
Yep.
Wow, look at that motion.
Yes, sir. Holy. That is a nice tornado, dude. All right, it's fizzling.
It's still got some spin up there.
Yep.
Wow. What a tornado.
That was a perfect tube, dude. Made it all the way down, started drilling.
Oh, it's trying to come back down, dude.
Yep.
Look at it.
We're gonna be really close to this thing if it comes down again. Go
Yeah, look right there, right there.
right in front of us. Oh, we're gonna be right behind this thing on the road.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Holy. Point this shit up a little more. Oh my
Holy
goodness.
crap.
Oh, wow, dude. Beautiful tornado right here. We're gonna go right in front of it. Look at it. Holy. iPhone won't focus. We're good. Look at.
Wow. Dude.
Yep.
It's in town right now.
Yep, town just got hit.
Look at the funnel out my window.
Yep.
You're kidding me.
Film that shit. I'm gonna try and find my road truck.
Tornado just went right through Ipava, Illinois.
Wow.
Incredible. Very fast rotation. It crossed right here.
I don't want to know how Ted's feeling right now. We got a beautiful tornado up there. Trying to come back down.
Wow, look at that.
Beautiful white tube.
That's insane. It's a snake.
That should find right down there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Look at it, look at it.
Gosh.
Oh my god. Yep, he's reaching out again.
That's crazy.
Reaching out far. Oh, it's down, look, the funnel's there.
Yep. What a driller.
Beautiful tornado right there. I wonder if this vortex can kind of straighten itself out and come right back down. Change that in that direction.
Dude, that's ridiculous.
Yeah. That's coming in now. It's coming back.
Oh my gosh. You're kidding me. It's a sidewinder, dude. Left side. Look at the left side.